Hello guys, this is Abhishek Panjani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So most of us are basically getting bored sitting at home and are not able to do anything productive this lockdown. So if you are thinking of doing something productive and making some real good amount of money with the help of your skills, so this video is for you. All you need to do is be good at competitive programming. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to become a problem setter and add multiple coding websites and how you can earn a significant amount of money by just setting problems for these platforms. So I have been a problem setter for sites like HackerEarth, HackerRank, CodeChef, Metal, GoSkill Technologies, and CutShort. So in this video, I am going to brief you all about how to apply for becoming a problem setter at these different platforms and what are the prerequisites for applying for the same, and in the end we will going to discuss in brief about what are the skills that are basically required to become a problem set. So I will be sharing all the links that I am using in this video in the description section below. So first let's talk about HackerRank. So in order to apply for HackerRank, what you need to do is you need to create three problems. The difficulty level of problems will be one easy, one medium, and one hard level, and you have to provide the links to those problems over here. So you must adhere to the guidelines that is provided in this link in order to create the problems. So here are some guidelines that you can read before creating the problem. So HackerRank is one such site which pays you very heavily for the problems that you create. So what they pay is they pay $60 for a easy problem, $80 for a medium problem, and $100 for a hard problem that you create. So now let's talk about Hacker Earth. So what Hacker Earth pays for the problem is they pay 800 rupees for a easy problem, 1400 for a medium problem, and 2000 for a hard problem. In order to create the problems for Hacker Earth, you can refer to these guidelines that are provided over here. So you can like go through these guidelines before creating the problem. And in order to apply for becoming a problem setter at Hacker Earth, you can just drop a mail consisting about your resume and your achievements to this email ID, contact@hackerearth.com. They also have this internship and full-time opportunity that is open right now for the post of problem setter. So you may apply for this if you require to. So what are the requirements for becoming a problem setter at HackerEarth? So in order to become a problem setter at HackerEarth, you should have a maximum rating of at least 1600 plus and on Codeforces, or a maximum rating of more than 1900 on CodeChef. These ratings should be maintained for at least 10 contests. Also, you must have solved at least 50 problems on HackerEarth. Along with this, you must have good writing skills. So these are the basic requirements that are necessary for becoming a problem setter at HackerEarth. So the next site is the CutShort. So CutShort is a different platform in which you are not supposed to build the complete problems. Instead, they want MCQs. So you are supposed to build technical MCQs for them, and what they pay is they pay a cash reward of rupees 1000 for every 10 questions that are accepted. So this is what they pay. In order to apply for becoming the problem setter at CutShort, you can just go through this link. After clicking this link, you will be asked to submit 5 MCQ problems based on which you can become the problem setter for the CutShort. So now let's talk about CodeChef. So unlike HackerEarth and HackerRank, they do not host hiring challenges. So they require good quality problems for the long challenge and the short challenge that are hosted on CodeChef. So in order to become the problem setter at CodeChef, the basic requirement is you must satisfy one of the two skills mentioned here. So you must either be a 4-star coder on CodeChef, or you must be in the Div 1 of Codeforces or Top Coder. So here they have described the roles and responsibilities in detail. You can go through this before setting the problems for CodeChef. So you can submit your problem and become a problem setter at CodeChef with the help of this link. So now let's talk about what are the basic skills that are required in order to become a good problem setter. So the only basic need that is there to become a problem setter is to be a good problem solver. And this is only possible if you are able to solve as many problems as possible. So what you need to do is you need to solve as many problems as possible, participate on different contests, and see how a simple concept can be molded into a different variation of problems. So this is how you will become a good problem setter. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the content and hope this will help you earn a good amount of money in future. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below. All the links are attached to the description section. You can go through this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.